Hey guys, for this video, we're going to take a look at this BougeRV 200-watt folding solar panel. They were nice enough to send me this for free, so I can make a video showing it to you. And I'm using this as part of a larger little solar panel array. I know it's just laying on the ground right now, but that's what these 2x4s are for later. But 200 watts, I've been super happy with it. I'm going to show you the output on this guy in 1 second so you can see how it stacks up with all of these others laying here. But a couple of things I really like about the BougeRV is you have this zipper pouch on the side. I know it's a little bit dirty because it's been laying on the ground, but you have this zipper pouch, right? And this big fat meaty cable that comes out of it has MC4 connectors on the end of it, which is very common for solar panels. That's these guys right here. It's a very standard solar panel thing, right? So that's what's on the end of the cable that's going into that inverter up there. You also get this cable here so you can plug in those MC4s I just talked about, and then you get these style of connectors also. I believe that yellow one's called an XT60, I think. But if you look at power stations, they're very commonly used in those power stations, and you have this little barrel connector guy too. So this can work obviously with other BougeRV products they have, like batteries and stuff rechargeable for the solar, or in my case it can work in more generically using like MC4 connectors. You'll also notice in all the corners there's the grommets, so you could mount it on something or attach it using clips or bungee cords or something if you need to hold it in place. These are super popular. I don't expect a lot of people are going to do an inverter setup like I have here, which is working really well, by the way. Most people, you're going camping, fishing, maybe tailgating. You want to be mobile and portable, and this is a really great way to, keep your cell phone, your laptop, radio, any kind of devices you're using while you're camping. Brought my power station out here so you guys can see the performance of just the BougeRV by itself. So you can see it's a mostly sunny, partly cloudy kind of day. And if we look at the input we're getting from just the BougeRV, can you see that? Let's see, come on, give me a good view here. Getting about 160 watts. Again, it's rated a 200-watt solar panel. So doing pretty good. The 200 watts is under absolutely ideal conditions. But the important thing I want to show you is I'm going to put up an app overlay on the screen right now, and it is going to show you the wattage input from all of these other panels. This one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. These are all linked together on one channel on my inverter. This panel by itself is rated as a 400-watt panel, and it's only a year old. So as you can see, our BougeRV is producing 160 watts by itself, but then look at what you're getting with all of these to the left combined, and how much surface area that is compared to the BougeRV. So again, that's 4 panels over there we were just looking at, and at the same time, this BougeRV is up to 165 now. So not all solar panels are created equal. I've had this one for a little over a month now. It's been sitting out here. You guys saw the beginning of the video, it was actually sitting on the ground, so we got a little bit better setup here. Still kind of temporary, but better than on the ground. So there it is, guys, your BougeRV 200-watt folding solar panel. Thanks for watching.